Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Authentication app. I'm gonna show you how you can set it up using the Facebook, but it should be pretty much same for any other platform. Firstly, you need to download the Authenticator or the Google Authentication from the Play Store or the App Store. Then you can open up your account. Then you'll need to head over to your security settings. If you head over to security of any other platform, you should be able to see the two-factor authentication. You'll need to open up this option. There you'll have a few options to enable your two-factor authentication. Choose the authentication app and then tap on continue. The next thing you'll see is a barcode and a code which you can enter in manually. So if you head over to your authentication app, here on the bottom you'll see two options: scan a code or enter a setup key. You can choose your preferred method. If you're using the same device, you can head over to your Facebook or any other platform and tap on setup on same device. This way it will open up the Authenticator app and it will automatically add in your Facebook account or any other account. Now my screen is blacked out because the screen recorder does not work of the ID that is showing right now, but you'll just need to copy this code each time you log into any of your accounts. If you head over to the Facebook, you can see that there is an option to enter in the 6-digit code. You'll need to head back to the Authenticator app and there you'll see a 6-digit code. You can copy the code and enter it in. Now every time you log into your account, you will need to open up your Authenticator app and enter in the 6-digit code that is generated on a time-based format. If you want, you can also add in other accounts. If you again tap on this plus, you should be able to see the same option such as the scan code or the setup key. You can scan the QR code or enter the setup key of any other platform and you'll be ready to generate the authentication code.